is on the topic Calm Collective Stress-Free Living, and this will be conducted by two of our respected guests, Ms. Preeti and Dr. Rachna Khanna Singh. I would request both of you to please come on the stage and take a seat. A huge round of applause for them.
Thank you so much, Anushree, for a lovely introduction. I think we are already behind the schedule by 35 minutes, so I'm going to cut it short. How's the Josh, guys? Hi, आवाज आ रही है? How's the Josh? कितने लोगों ने लंच नहीं किया? तो यार हाई ने हाई पीछे ली है. How's the Josh? Can we clap for the lovely students? Great. So today's session is all about stress management, anxiety issues, and mindful living. And I request the console to play the Sattva AV to understand what is wellness and who we are. Could you please play the AV?
Agni, Vayu, Jal, Prithvi, Akash. We are the finest creation of God. But to balance all five elements, we have to balance our mind, body, and soul. Sattva means purity and wisdom. And Sattva Nation is a festival to celebrate life. A holistic wellness platform that works in 8 dimensions of wellness: physical wellness, mental wellness, spiritual wellness, social wellness, intellectual wellness, occupational wellness, financial wellness, environmental wellness. To spread these 8-dimensional wellness, we conduct college wellness programs, government wellness programs, corporate wellness, online wellness programs, wellness retreats, iconic wellness awards, social wellness events. Join Sattva Nation today and let's make the 8-dimensional wellness your first priority.
Thank you. We strongly believe and promote the 8 pillars of wellness. We believe that wellness is not only the physical dimension, what we see, keeping our body healthy and happy, of course, is very important, but we strongly believe that it's important to look after your emotional health and mental health as well. I have heard that all of you have been attending back-to-back sessions. Yeah? Are you tired? Thank you so much for being honest. Please raise, get up. I request all of you to please get up off your seats. Before starting up the session, let us do some exercise, some hand movement. Can you all raise your hands and just shake the energy? Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah, shake it to the front. The first to look after the beautiful person who lives throughout the life with you, and that's you. Nobody is going to live your life for you. You are the most beautiful creation of God. The human life does not come to us easily. Right? आपने बहुत पहले बड़े लोगों से सुना भी होगा कि 80,000 करोड़ या 84 करोड़ योनियों के बाद आपको ये लाइफ मिलती है. And all of you are at a very early stage to begin your careers. So that's very important to know how to handle your feelings and emotions. And without taking much time, I request Anushree to please introduce Dr. Rachna so that we learn from the expert how to look after the emotions. And at the end of the session, we do some quick yoga mudras and meditation for the beginner.
Next guest for the day is Dr. Rachna Khanna Singh. Dr. Rachna Khanna Singh has served as a consultant in holistic medicine and wellness in Artemis Hospital in Gurgaon and is the founder and director of the Mind and Wellness Studio in New Delhi, India. As the executive director of the NGO Service Amman, she has worked towards empowering children, youth, and women. The contributions were recognized when they were honored at the House of Lords, UK Parliament. A mental health professional and TEDx talk speaker, her medical background is focused on providing individual, group, and corporate counseling with a strong emphasis on hospital and clinical care. The Mind and Wellness Studio, under her leadership, has impacted over 10 lakh lives and collaborated with over 900 organizations pioneering holistic wellness initiatives. Huge round of applause for her. She has been honored with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Ratna Award for extraordinary support towards the self-development of Delhi. She has also been awarded with World Health and Wellness Awards, awarded for being one of the 50 outstanding women in healthcare global listing 270 in Mumbai, February 2017. She has also been awarded with Karmveer Puraskar for contributions in the medical field in 2015. And last but not least, she has also been awarded with the Delhi Police Post, the Nirbhaya rape case, and trained all the Delhi police officers for gender consideration in Tihar jail. A huge round of applause for ma'am.
Thank you so much for this warm introduction. And I know it's the fag end of the day for all of you, and I think all of you are very, very tired. And I think all of you have been listening to a lot of possibly lectures, panel discussions since morning. And although I have a presentation, we'll try to keep it as much as possible workshop style, right? So the more involved you are, the more you're going to get out of this. So the purpose of me standing here to talk to you people is not just about delivering something to you and saying, and you people saying at the end of the day, oh, wonderful, great lecture. No, that you can listen to us on YouTube also. The purpose of me being here is that if you can make a little change after this in your lifestyle when you go back home, even by a couple of things or 10%, I'll be happy. So that's the reason I'm here, to create a change for all of you. So the next hour, which I'm with you, let's try to focus on yourself. So this is not about the organization, this is not about your neighbors, this is not about your friends, this is not about your family, this session is about you. So the more seriously you're involved, the more you're going to get out of this session. And it is just, like I said, I'm only here to help you. So I'm only here to help you create a small change. We'll go through a presentation, and like I said, I'll keep it open house, and later we can ask questions, as many as you want, if you people would like to know. So if you have the presentation, please. Few things I'd like to share with you, and then few things I'll ask you. And even if you people have a pen and paper, you could pull it out. Maybe it'll help you people. Okay, so I want you all to have a look at this. Look at this slide. This is some stats, which is talking about 1 in every 4 people having some mental health concern or the other. And WHO is estimating the economic loss almost close to USD 1 million trillion, right? So worldwide, 25% increase in the anxiety. So having said that, let's see the next slide. Again, 300 million people, this is the WHO reporting, suffering from depression. 1 person dying almost close to every 40 seconds, right? And 80%, this is something I want you people to look at, 80% of the people with symptoms of depression do not receive any treatment. So if 80% were to receive treatment, if we all are to get insightful about what is happening to us or people around us, then we are not going to have such difficult figures. So the point is to create a little bit of awareness. Next, please. And it's a very sad slide which says that, every hour a student commits suicide in India. It is because of the anxiety and depression which you saw, there's a society overload on the numbers already. And having said that, my purpose of being here is if it's one student every hour, I hope it's not even one student every month. Because this is something which we can change. And maybe this is you, maybe it's your friend, maybe it's somebody around you. Next, please. Okay, and so why is it that 80% are going untreated? One is the stigma attached to mental health disorders. How many of you would think that there is still a stigma? That if someone says, early days, about 15, 20 years ago in the OPD, when we used to sit in the OPD, people used to say, ki pagal ho, kyun ja rahe ho psychologist ke paas, pagal ho, therapist ke paas kyun ja rahe ho? Now it's become very, very different and common because after COVID, things have changed a lot. People have started to put mental health on the forefront completely. But do they still think there's a stigma? Yes, right? There's quite a bit of a stigma even now. But we've seen that there is a lot of destigmatization which has happened. Today, people come very, very openly. In fact, one of the people was Woman of the Year, I think Cosmopolitan Woman of the Year last year. So she was in therapy with me, and it just so happened I met her at a social gathering, at a very, very big social gathering with a lot of fashionistas of the country. And she took me by my arm and introduced me to so many people, said, I met my therapist here. And I said, aren't you afraid to tell people? You've just won such a huge award of the year. So she said, no, I want to tell people that I've been in therapy because people can take that help. So there is a lot which is going on today. I see people from actors to all the bureaucrats in the city to one of our ex-chief ministers. It's bewildering. The fact is, it's not that everybody has some problem. Sometimes you just need to go to talk to somebody who can just guide you in a better space. Because we people are non-judgmental, we're trained and completely independent. So we don't have an emotion attached to what we're helping you with, right? So we're trained accordingly. Having said that, it's not that therapists don't have empathy. That completely goes without saying. Okay, and also lack of sensitization, like what we're talking about is sensitizing, and lack of specialists. So literally the number of people will literally have one specialist is to 10,000 people suffering. That's how low it is. Urban cities, बहुत अच्छी availability है. But you go out a little bit towards the semi-urban areas, I'm sure a lot of people, are coming from 2-tier, 3-tier cities. They're not easily, it's not mental health, therapists are not easily available. But fortunately, we all are available now at the drop of a button. Because of digitalization, it's so easy to get hold of an appointment with anybody. Next, please. Okay, so, why are we even sitting here and talking about health, wellness, relationships? And I specifically put relationships for you people. I was telling Preeti that I put a few slides for you people because I think one of the biggest disturbing factors in today's youth is the relationships and how to manage interpersonal relationships. Would you agree there? A lot of people. Yeah. Okay, so why are we sitting and talking about it today? Because did 20 years ago, 15 years ago, did our parents sit down and listen to seminars about how to improve their mental wellness and how to improve how to be more positive, how to do better parenting? Did anybody sit down and listen to all of this? Was anybody talking about it? Because that wasn't really the need of the hour. Today, with the high competition, with things moving, we see that is the need of the hour. But we talk about a 360-degree holistic approach, exactly what Sattva spoke about. That we talk about all the dimensions of wellness. Next, please. Okay, so this is what even, you saw earlier was the dimensions of wellness. So have a look at this. So if we are well in most of these, then you're going to get a feeling of well-being. But earlier we were only talking about a 360-degree approach in only 3 aspects: mind, body, soul, or mind, body, spirit, right? Everybody's aware. That's a WHO definition, by the way. But having said that, now wellness has expanded into 8 pillars. where we also looking at environmental, spiritual, social, intellectual, a lot more than what there is. And if we are not well in most of these, I'm not going to feel happy. So I need to be there in most of these. Today, right before I came in, I had a therapy case. Was somebody from Amritsar, and she was speaking, and she said, how terrible the environment she was staying in. And I was just telling her, she said, does it matter, doctor? Is it me or is it my environment? So I just told her, I said, if you get a seed of the best plant possible, but if I put it in a barren land, will it grow? No. But if I put it in a land where I give the fertilizer, I give the sunlight, and I nurture it, will it grow? Yes. So the environment also matters. That's exactly what I was telling her. Okay, next please. Okay, so we're going to look at ourselves like I promised you. We've done with the boring part of the statistics, but that was important for me to tell you what kind of an overload we people have. Okay, look at yourself. Now, please don't bother about your boyfriend, girlfriend, parents, neighbors' lifestyle. If you guys have a pen and paper, if not, we're going to keep this house as open as possible. Like I said, we'll keep it as workshop style as possible. So firstly, do all of you think there's something wrong with your lifestyle? Yes? Anybody who doesn't think there's anything wrong with their lifestyle, or anybody who thinks there's no choice, there's no place for improvement? Anybody here? No. So I think we almost have close to 250, 300 people sitting here. Each one of you think that there is something wrong with our lifestyle. So quickly, we can raise our hands till whatever possible. What do you think is wrong with your lifestyle? Think a little bit, quickly. Anybody? Fast. क्या गड़बड़ है lifestyle में? Okay? Just pass them a mic, please. There is another mic available. If you just give it so that it'll just benefit everybody. Okay, just take your name and just...
Hi, my name is Bhavya. I think the biggest thing wrong in our lifestyle right now is our sleep schedules.
Perfect. So Bhavna is saying sleep schedule. Anybody else? Quickly. Whatever you can share. There. Okay, time management. Lots of pressure. What kind of pressure?
Like from family.
Okay. Please speak.
Yeah, like from family, we have so much of pressure. Like if we are having our siblings, we have pressure to be like them as well. Sometimes.
So you're saying family pressure, comparative issues, sibling issues. Okay. What else? Anyone else? Yeah, go for it. You speak little louder. Okay, great. What's your name? Sakshi is saying fast food. Anybody else? Fantastic. What's your name? Jansi, what a beautiful name. So you should tell your parents that. So Jansi, you're saying overthinking. What else? Anyone? Hi. Guys, let's listen to them, please. Because so many people don't have the guts to get up and speak. So let the people who have a little courage, let's give them a listening ear, because many people who are not able to open up, sometimes they open up via somebody else. So let's be little gracious to the people who are opening up. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Kashish, and I think too much of screen time is one of the...
Okay, Kashish is saying screen time. Anybody else? Stress.
Our choices.
Too many, too little choices.
It's like our choices that we know somewhere we are choosing something wrong, but we still tend to do it.
Okay, so you're saying choices, desires, right? What else? Anybody else? Jealousy.
Like we see people around us.
Okay, guys, let's please give everybody a listening ear. Yeah.
Like our friends are doing pretty well, they are visiting different countries. I don't use Instagram because of people. I saw my friends, they are visiting Vietnam, they are going
Yeah.
Bali. And when I see them, what I am doing.
Okay, curry part. Yeah, so there is comparative issues. You're seeing there is also another concern is virtual versus real life, right? Anyone else? Anxiety. Okay, yes, there's so many people. Yes. Sleeping disorders. Fantastic, short temper.
Said using Instagram, we are getting too much emotional. We don't know how to handle our emotions. Right?
So emotional regulation नहीं है, information overload है. Yes, darling. peer pressure. Okay, so there is a lot. I don't think anybody repeated anything. Everybody, there's a wide variety. Yes, money, finances, why not? So there is so much which all of you are facing, and it's not all of you, all of us. All of us. Preeti, you tell me, what do you think is wrong with your lifestyle?
I think I need to balance it all because reaching out to this stage of my life, I still feel that I need a healthy balance. And how we are going to create a healthy balance with our existing lifestyle, this is what we are going to discuss today. And yeah.
Thank you. So it's not just you people, it's not your generation or you people, it's all of us. Nisha ma'am.
Yes, again, the balancing of your eating habits, balancing of your work life, and balancing of your thought process.
Okay. So see, everybody, this is what I want you to understand. All of us are struggling with something or the other. Now, let's see the next slide. So this is something like what all of you have said, stress. So what's wrong with your lifestyle? We've already put it in a slide together for you. So stress, faulty diet, sedentary life, too much screen time, smoking, alcohol, किसी ने बोला नहीं यहाँ पे, but we know that that's a part of it. Next, please. Next slide. Okay, to add to this, exactly what all of you said, pressure to perform, busy schedules, peer pressure, urbanization. Next. And another very important thing, adding to the lifestyle now is the relationships. Someone said stress and someone said desire over there. Someone said choices. So have a look at it. This is what it says. Stress is nothing. It's caused by being here but wanting to be there. Right? So I want to be in Vietnam. I want to be in Bali. Even I want to. So next. Okay. So when we talk about relationships, somehow in everybody's head it goes bang to boyfriend, girlfriend, romance. No. Relationships are not just that. Relationships could be family, romantic, professional, social, friends and acquaintances. ये सारे हमारे रिलेशनशिप के दायरे के अंदर आते हैं. एंड वी आर मैन इज़ अ सोशल बीइंग ना, बचपन से डेफिनेशन सुने जा रहे हैं हम लोग कि वी आर मैन इज़ अ सोशल बीइंग. मतलब क्या है? दैट वी कैनॉट स्टे alone on one choti anywhere, no, in a mountain ka choti. We all have to learn to exist and coexist, right? Okay, next. Okay, so next. Okay, just go back. Okay, so simple. What is stress? अभी हमने बोला क्या है, तो ये बहुत टेक्निकल डेफिनेशन है. Physiological and psychological response of the body to a situation it just perceives harmful. Okay, next please. So this is another thing I want you to identify. I want everybody to start to identify that what is it that I feel when I feel stressed. So now I sit on boards of schools for interviews now, on the panel many times. And now when you sit on those boards and now when you helping them develop the emotional side of the curriculum, which was never used to be there, right? Small children, the first thing nursery, KG ke bachcho ke liye, now it's very important for them to learn to identify emotions. My time, there was nothing like that. It was all academics and you could talk about physical health, but nothing about the emotional side of it. How is it that I feel? सबसे पहले तो लोगों को यही नहीं पता है that what is it that I feel when I am stressed. And that is something, like I said, this hour is for you. I want you to understand what is it that you feel when you are stressed. So stress, सबने नाम सुना है ना? Stress, tension, सबने नाम सुना है, हाँ, परेशानी या तनाव. तो एक दिन के अंदर हमारे सब के तनाव के स्तर ऊपर नीचे जाते हैं. ऐसा कोई है जिसको कभी स्ट्रेस नहीं हुआ है? नहीं ना, हो ही नहीं सकता है. So I want you to identify what is it that you feel when you feel stressed. Quickly, think about it. Anybody, what do you feel when you feel stressed? Jaldi. Angry. fast, irritated, unable to breathe, nervous, hungry, restlessness. एक minute. I'll come to each one of you, huh? Shivering. Thank you. Who else? Unable to work. You want to stay silent. Who else? Thoughtlessness. Bolo bolo. Can't sleep. G. Palpitation. Demotivated. Or procrastination. Bolo bolo. Headache. Suicidal thoughts. Guys, please. First and foremost, what did I say? We have to be empathetic to when people are sharing. कल आपका दोस्त आपको आके बोलता है कि मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल, मुझको बहुत बार रोना आ रहा है, पैल्पिटेशंस आ रहे हैं. ये आप ही लोग बोल रहे हो, मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ. आपका ही पीयर ग्रुप बोल रहा है. किसी को शिवरिंग हो रहा है, किसी को गुस्सा आ रहा है, किसी को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. समवन सेइंग दे हैव सुसाइडल थॉट्स, it is not unheard of. Let us be a little empathetic to understand it's people around us who go through this. It is not somebody who is else. It could be somebody in my family, it could be somebody around, and it takes a lot of courage to open up. So anybody else, what is it that you feel when you are stressed? Overthinking. What? Numb. Sleepy. Okay, so firstly, a big hand of applause to each one of you. Let's all clap. That all of you have had the courage to actually pinpoint your emotion and be courageous enough to talk about it. So what I want you to go home and do, you can note down this question. This is for self. Please make a little note of what is it that I feel stressed? How is it that I feel? Yeah, you have your phones, you can note it down. And you can also note the same thing down for your team members, your friends and your family. Trust me, nobody comes to us and says, मैं बहुत stress feel करता हूँ. People come to us with symptoms. बहुत headaches हो रहे हैं, पेट दर्द नहीं जा रहा है, डॉक्टर क्या करें, रात को नींद नहीं आ रहा है, घबराहट होती है, फ्लाइट पे नहीं बैठा जा रहा है. The other day I had somebody calling from the airport saying, I need to get onto this flight, I just don't know how to get onto the flight. And some CEO of a big company saying, I can't get onto the flight, doctor, can you send somebody with me to the flight? I said, so people go through very difficult situations, difficult times. It is important to understand how people around you are feeling. जो हमने relationships की बात की, अगर मुझको समझ आया कि people around me, my best friends, my friends का group, my team people, my 3-4 people who work with me, or my family members, how is it, what do they do when they are stressed? किसी को ज़्यादा भूख लगती है, किसी को भूख उड़ जाती है, किसी को बहुत नींद आती है, किसी को नींद ही नहीं आती है, right? Next slide. So this is what we have put for you people. I've put it into easy buckets. You can do this the same for the exercise I'm telling you to go home and do. Emotional responses, irritability, anger, apprehension, fear, sadness. रोने का मन करना, अच्छा नहीं लगना, इस तरीके के ख्याल आना, गुस्सा आना, चिड़चिड़ाहट होना, डर लगना. Next. Cognitive means of the mind, है ना? So difficulty in concentration, focus नहीं कर पाना, low productivity, brooding. Next. Somatic मतलब soma means body. No, today you know that 80% of the illnesses are psychosomatic. It's not something which I am saying, that is what research shows us. So soma pe effect hona means disturbances in sleep, appetite. I give this very famous example where in our times we used to have this big 12th standard board exam, big. Everything उसी पे सब निर्भर था कि कौन सी क्लास में क्या करोगे आप लाइफ में आगे जाके. Big pressure. we used to have this 1 month ka pre-board ke baad chutti. Excuse me, I would request you not to speak on your cell phone here. So 1 month you would get a full month off. When you would go to the board center, you would see some children would have lost weight and some children would have gained weight. क्या हुआ उनको एक महीने में? People who are very stressed, sometimes they'll be eating bags of chips, suddenly waking up at night and eating biscuits, this, that and the other. And कई लोगों की बिल्कुल भूख चले जाती है. So that is a response to stress, right? Loss of weight or gain, aches, pains, palpitations. Next, please. And some behavioral symptoms, reduced performance, impaired motivation, no, like people said here, demotivation, avoidance of certain situations. का मतलब ये नहीं कि सामने से principal आ रही तो avoid करके भाग जाओ. That is not the stress creator. It's the creator is happening around us, you know. And increase in usage of substances. Having tons of cups of coffee, tea, cigarettes, alcohol, other substances, weed, super common everywhere now, super common. It's not something which is unheard of. And we tell the adult population today, they're like, Arey, no, it's everybody is doing it. So it's all of this increase. I can see many heads, like nodding here. Next, please. Next. Okay, so far we talked about what is stress, what is wrong with us, and what is the problem and what are the signs and symptoms. Abhi aage kya karna hai is the solution. What is happening to us, that is something all of you need to know कि मुझको कैसा लगता है, मेरे को जब टेंशन होता है कैसा लगता है, मेरे आसपास वालों को कैसा लगता है, what is it that I feel, how do I identify. And now we are going to see, अब समझ तो आ गया कि ऐसे लगता है, अब करना क्या है. What do we do? Yes, certain places you need health therapy, but certain places we can make some changes in our lifestyle, right? We can make some small changes which can help us. So let's hope the next few slides will help us. Next, please. Okay, so I always go with this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. A, B, C. Awareness, balance and control. अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? Awareness. ठीक है? अभी हम we are talking about balance कैसे करना है, and control are the control measures, and this works for every place. Whether you want to have an examination, then also we are going to do this. How? सबसे पहले तो when I remember when we used to do a maths का sum, your tutor or teacher would tell you इसको बार बार पढ़ो, है ना? Everybody is nodding their heads कि एक बार नहीं, equation बनाने से पहले 3 बार समझ लो क्या लिखा है, right? वो लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही है. पहले प्रॉब्लम को तो समझो क्या है. स्टॉप जंपिंग एंड फाइंडिंग अ सोल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ट्राई टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट टू सी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, फिर सोल्यूशन पे लेके आओ. डोंट जंप. टुडे मोस्ट ऑफ द यूथ कम्स टू अस एंड सेज आई एम स्ट्रेस, आई हैव डिप्रेशन, आई हैव एंजाइटी. नो, पहले ये देखो सच में है कि नहीं है. इफ यू आर genuinely facing some symptoms, it's not a bad idea to take a 1-time, 2-time appointment to find out if there is something wrong. है तो ठीक है, you get treated for it. नहीं है तो at least don't label yourself as I have depression. Clinical depression is very, very different than just feeling sad or feeling depressed. Next. So awareness, next. Balance, next. And control. ठीक है? Next. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Okay, we're going to do some very basic things like changing our thinking. अभी सबके पास WhatsApp है phones पे. हमारे time, I think this is now new, no? 10-15 years old, that's it, right? We've seen the transition. So everybody wakes up to some amazing messages on their WhatsApp where people have these wonderful, positive sayings. You people have all pop-ups happening on your computers, laptops, your Alexa saying something. We all have put ourselves around with something positive to wake up to. Correct? Correct? Everybody opens these. Now whether you're it's a message coming from Sister Shivani, from Sadhguru, from Osho, whatever. हम कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें सुबह करते हैं. Every day you hear 10 times someone saying something, some message saying be positive. But are we able to stay positive the whole day? रह सकते हो? क्यों? क्या होता है? We all hear na, be positive. We are not able to. Why? Because this changing your thinking. Just I am saying to you, okay, now you know what? Let's change your thinking. Start being positive. One solution. No, boss, it's not going to happen. You have to train your mind. It does not happen on its own. जब किसी को anybody is ever targeted going to the gym, 4 kgs loss करना है 5, है ना? सब gym, exercise, सब, yeah, you want to look good, I want to lose 2 inches, right? What do we do? क्या करते हैं फिर? क्या करते हैं? अगर decide कर लिया कि मेरे को 4 किलो कम करना है, फिर क्या करते हैं? कुछ करते हैं ना, बैलेंस डाइट करते हैं या फिर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, है ना? तो सबसे पहली चीज इज द इंटेंशन. व्हेन आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, मेरे को 4 किलो वजन कम करना है, तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज आई विल इंटेंड कि हाँ, मुझको आइडेंटिफाई कि मुझको 4 kgs कम करना है. भाई मेरे को इतना इनलाइटनमेंट आ गया. सो द इंटेंशन दिस दैट आई वांट टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग पॉजिटिव. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि जिम जाना है. अभी रोज़ जाओ जिम और एक साइन करके आ जाओ. जाएगा वज़न? नहीं जाएगा. पैसे भी दे आए, वहाँ गए गप्पे मार के आ गए, जाएगा? नहीं. रोज़ घर आओ, जिम जाओ, आओ और एक मैंगो खा लो, जाएगा? नहीं जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स टू ट्रेन योर माइंड ऑल्सो. Positive thinking does not come on its own. It takes a lot of effort. You have to do a lot of work to train yourself. So doing things, small things like mindfulness. Mindfulness और meditation में बहुत अंतर है. Mindfulness activities, meditative activities, training your mind, it is as good as going to the gym where you have to, and there are many days you'll come back crying from the gym. When the trainer makes you do harder. So you feel your back hurts, your limbs hurt, but it's a sweet pain. That's the same it is with meditation, focusing. When we teach you focusing exercises, it takes time. Same thing with the positive thought line also. Next, please. So reframing, positive thinking. A very simple, if you people are noting down, you can note down something very, very simple. It's the thought, because I see a lot of people writing. Thought will create a speech. Speech is going to create your action. बहुत सिंपल चीज़ है. अगर मेरा थॉट जो सीड है वो थॉट इज नेगेटिव, तो मेरा स्पीच कैसे होएगा? एक्शन भी वैसे ही होएगा. सो इफ आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली गोइंग टू से अरे क्या होएगा आज, विल आई बी एबल टू प्रेजेंट दिस सेमिनार, क्या होने वाला है, मैं पहुंचूंगी नहीं पहुंचूंगी, क्या होएगा, एग्जाम में कैसे होएगा. इफ ऑल द टाइम आई एम थिंकिंग इज माई फ्रेंड गोइंग टू शो अप टुडे, वो तो वहाँ चले गए, मुझको बुलाएंगे क्या, अरे उसने मेरा फ़ोन ही नहीं आंसर किया, टेक्स्ट मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं किया. इफ ऑल द टाइम आई एम थिंकिंग what, why, things like that, I am going to be talking the same language. And my actions are going to show that. And what if I'm thinking positive, that I'm going to have a wonderful seminar today. I'm going to meet wonderful people today. I'm going to have fun. My friend has not called me or picked up the phone. That's okay. Maybe she'll do it tomorrow. Or I'm okay. All is well in my world. अगर मैं ऐसे ही, अगर मेरा दिमाग ऐसे रहेगा, तो how will my speech be? Positive. And how is my action? Am I going to look underconfident? No. I'll look confident and I'll look happy. And happy people are going to attract. Yes. And happy people, happy relationships, happy circumstances, and lots and absolutely. सो स्टॉप सेइंग कि मेरे घर वाले ऐसे बोलते हैं, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड ऐसे बोलता है, ऐसे ही है, मेरे सारे आसपास के लोग बड़े नेगेटिव है, मेरे टीम वाले. नो, इट्स यू हु आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट दैट एनवायरनमेंट. सो दैट थॉट हैज़ टू बी ऑल इज गुड. So when I came here, I said, it's going to be a wonderful seminar, and we were running late. I was just telling myself this. I said, I'm going to have fun. And trust me, when I came here, I met 3 people, including your principal, who I didn't know I'm going to meet her, and she's a friend. So then you're going to manifest only good things. If I'm going to give wrong energies, I am going to attract negative people, negative situations, and negative circumstances. So be very, very clear that positive thinking, there are many things what can be done. I can't go through all of it right now, but you can train yourself to think positive. Next, please. So being organized, being assertive, some humor, diversion. When we are watching a nice fun movie, we're listening to something nice. Those are all diversions and distractions. Next, please. Ventilation. So we say a problem shared is a problem halved. That means it's important to express ourselves. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम सारा दिन प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बात करते रहे और हर जने का दरवाज़ा खटखटा के बोलते रहे. But earlier we used to say that, before COVID, we used to say that even if we have 5 people on our fingers who are there for us, you should feel blessed. After COVID, I started saying even if you have 3 people, feel happy. So somebody to share with, you should have somebody. Next, please. And yes, this is what I was talking about. That if I am, this is what is important. If I am happy, ये सब चीज़ें comfortable होंगी. I am only unhappy, फिर ये सब चीज़ें uncomfortable होंगी. Next. So, how do we develop these good relationships? So have a look. These are some of the roots of a lasting relationship. Listening, trust, patience, appreciation, understanding. Big words. Very big words. But very difficult to do. How? Next. A very simple thing. Everybody, this generation, so we especially made this slide for them. Because everybody who comes to my chamber talks about, मेरा love language ये है, doctor, मेरे उसका ये love language है, right? Everybody knows about love languages here? Yes, most people do, right? So see, they're all the youth, they all, that's what I'm saying. We are, because we are like, what is happening, right? So yes, yeah. So when we talk about love languages, it is not just about romantic love languages. Everybody around, it's important to know other people's love language. And it's important to identify. Does everybody know their love language here? No. Yes. Some people and some people don't. So love languages, this is not my theory. This is Gottman's theory. And love languages, love can be expressed in very many different ways. Is that right? Sometimes you go and tell we all argue with our parents. We still do. And you'll tell them, oh, you say that, oh, my parents don't love me. No, it's not that your parents don't love you. It's the way they love you, you don't understand that. And the way you love them, they don't understand that. Correct? And the same goes for your romantic relationships also. Why are so many relationships failing nowadays? पहली बात तो ये कि fail हो रहे हैं relationships आजकल. Yes. Everybody has had a heartbreak. Okay. I know everybody's love struck. Okay. I know there is nobody who has not had a heartbreak. Okay. Yes, now they're all excited. So, okay, we need to calm down. Preeti was saying last में है, so तो नहीं जाएंगे. Okay, we need to calm down. There is nobody who's not had a heartbreak. I know you're all like bursting to say something, right? All of us have had a heartbreak. और heartbreak नहीं होता ना तो रूमी होता, ना रूमी की पोइट्री होती, ना जावेद अख्तर के पोइट्री होती, ना कबीर के दोहे होते, ना मीरा की बिरहा की पोइट्री होती, कुछ नहीं होता. तो heartbreak आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. It's okay if your heart is broken. That's when you learn what you need further. It's okay. And your love languages, for people who don't know, you could have your love language as words of affirmation. Anybody would like to say? Calm down, guys, calm down. So, anybody would like to say words of affirmation kya hai? India, yes. So, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Anybody? Compliments. Absolutely. Compliments. I'm there for you. I'm proud of you. I'm happy to be with you. Right? These are words of affirmation. Gifts तो सबको पता है, but gifts का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि we are receiving big gifts. Gifts does not only mean tangible gifts. Guys. Okay. We're going to stop cross-talking. I know there's lots you want to share, but we'll talk a little less. Gifts does not mean tangible gifts. It's not कि मैंने बहुत expensive gift दिया, I will win my loved one over. No. Gifts can also come in very many different ways. Anybody would like to share how can gifts come in different ways? Okay. Understanding. So you could even give somebody a flower or give them a plant. That could be a gift, no? Making a nice dish for somebody. That could be a gift, no? Okay. Physical touch, we all understand. And please don't mistake physical touch for sexual touch. All of you are nodding because we're sitting with a very enlightened set of people here. There is a very big difference in a physical touch and a sexual touch. All of you are aware of we all have some positive hormones, right? All of you know that. Anybody knows what are some of the names of the positive hormones? Fantastic. What else? Fantastic. So we have dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin. So when you have the sexual touch, a different hormone is liberated. When you have a warm physical touch, that could also mean when I hug my puppy or when I hug my child. That also is physical touch. Or if I meet a friend and I just say, hey, how are you doing? Right? For somebody, a physical touch is their love language. Quality time, which everybody understands, I will not take more time because I know we are like running late. With another 5-10 minutes we'll wind. So acts of service क्या है? क्या है acts of service?
Doing something without needing something in return.
Absolutely. So doing something without, fantastic. So what's your name? Rahul knows it all. So doing something without needing anything in return. So I come home and I have not had the time to, for example, set my cupboard straight. But I come home and my mom has done it for me. वो क्या है? Acts of service है. I come home, my partner has set my drawer for me. Act of service है. Someone's seeing you super stressed, gets you that added cup of coffee, saying calm down, ये लो, coffee पी लो. या खाना खा लिया आपने, वो भी acts of service ही है, या ले आओ खाना किसी के लिए. You people have the privilege of Zomato delivering everywhere, right? And you have the privilege of sending somebody just a little pastry sometime, saying, listen, I know you're low, and here's what you need. So I'm just saying these are different ways. Now, what happens with love languages? What happens is that when we people are thinking I'm giving love, but someone's love language is not the same. So, okay, let's imagine a big departmental store, and you've gone there excited and filled a cart full of all your grocery and everything. 3 घंटे लगा दिए, कोई hyper supermarket है, ये भी ले लिया, वो भी ले लिया, ये भी कर लिया, वो भी कर लिया, and 3 घंटे roam करते रहे, and you feel at the end of it, you feel tired, and you're standing in that big lane to pay the money. Now, when you reach that counter, the counter says closed. That's what happens when your love language is different from the other person's love language. You feel the counter is closed. It's not that. It's just that we need to recognize. So it's a good idea to recognize your prime love language and also recognize the love language of people around you. For example, the generation previous to you, like your parents, it's not easy for them to have physical touch as a love language. I hear many children come nowadays and they say, many teenagers come and they say, my parents don't love me, they never give me a hug. मेरे कभी हाथ ही नहीं पकड़ते. Does not mean they're not loving you. It's because that generation, Indian generation, did not know how to do that. अरे वो मम्मी पापा अपना ही हाथ नहीं पकड़ते तो तुम्हारा हाथ क्या पकड़ने वाले हैं? It's like a crime. So please understand, it's going to take a lot. It's going to take a lot of thought processes to alter. So that's the same way our love language. So your mother's love language could just about be just giving you food क्योंकि आता ही नहीं है, express करना ही नहीं आता. Correct? That's what you guys are saying, because you're saying, अरे emotional vacuum है. This is another story, constant. We have an emotional vacuum at home. कोई समझता ही नहीं है बात, क्योंकि उनको emotionally express नहीं करना आता, इसलिए वो बात नहीं समझते. उनको क्या आता है? खाने से प्यार दिखाना आता है उनको, मे बी किसी को पैसे से प्यार दिखाना आता है. सो वी हैव टू ट्राई टू, आई कांट चेंज देयर, वी कांट चेंज देयर लव लैंग्वेज. यू कैन हेल्प देम अंडरस्टैंड. सो ट्राई टू सी द सेम थिंग यू कुड बी डूइंग विद योर पार्टनर. Why are we seeing so many failed relationships? People are misreading their partner's love language. For somebody, yes. For somebody, words of affirmation is immense importance, but you're giving something else. Yeah? Let's go to the next slide. Okay. You can read this. I will not go into details, otherwise we're losing time. Maybe another time I'll explain it to you guys later. But intimacy also is very badly misunderstood, very badly labeled. But intimacy does not mean only sexual or physical intimacy. You could have intimacy in very many different areas. So when you have a partnership with somebody, you could have intimacy in very many different areas. And ज़रूरी भी नहीं है कि पूरे 6 के 6 होए, और 6 के 6 खोजना भी मत, मिलेगा ही नहीं. नहीं मिलेगा तो क्यों? It's not some. A lot of people end up putting so much pressure on their relationships that they want all 6 or they want a 5 on 6. That's not true. That's movies. Thank God movies also, because of OTT, have become very realistic. A lot of stuff has become very realistic. Go back to 10-year-old movies and see, all you're seeing is some amazing, you're seeing some amazing love stories, and they are very beautiful. We all love watching them. We all come from an era where we, Mills and Boons, and we have that fairy tale. It's not true. I saw a very lovely statement the other day by Imtiaz Ali. Somebody asked him कि जब we met, I forget the name of the hero and the hero. No, Shahid. I know Shahid and Kareena, but उनके जो 2 नाम थे, Geet and correct. So they said, they asked Imtiaz Ali कि Geet and Aditya का क्या होता स्टोरी में उसके बाद. किसी कुछ नहीं, एक थेरेपिस्ट के ऑफिस में डिवोर्स फाइल कर रहे होते. This is what Imtiaz Ali. There's just a recent statement about a couple of days ago. So what I'm trying to tell you is that that's not all hunky-dory. They met. जब we met, fantastic. उसके बाद क्या है? उसके बाद क्या है? दिलवाले दुल्हनिया, उसके बाद क्या है? खेत के बाद, and क्या होता उसके बाद में? It's not easy. So relationships are work in progress every day. Every day. Right? Next. Next, please. Okay, so what am I going to do to empower my relationship? If my relationship, okay, in your mind, I want all of you to identify one difficult relationship. I don't want to know, in your mind. Everybody has some difficult relationship, right? Everybody. So, friend, family member, colleague, whatever. Everybody, I want you to identify one difficult relationship in your mind. How am I going to empower my disempowered relationship? I'm going to create a safe space to share. So what did we do today? You guys are all opening up and bursting to open because we created a safe space to share. I didn't have to come and tell you that this is a safe space. You felt safe, right? So I'm going to create safety. I'm going to establish boundaries. I'm going to validate the person's feelings and experiences. It's not about, and every time someone's not going to tell you, I'm feeling like this, I'm feeling, no. I have to validate via experiences also. Supporting each other's goals. किसी का goal music बजाना है, किसी का goal पढ़ाई है, किसी का goal कुछ और है, does not mean anybody's better or worse or something like that, yeah? Navigating conflicts. There is no way a relationship will not have conflict. So I'm going to learn to navigate it. Next. Okay, this is a very sweet thing, and this is, my team has made this. I love this slide. I just want you to read this. These are very little phrases we can use. This is the way we are going to change our language, not come in attacking form. When I am having a conflict with somebody, I'm just talking about people. Okay. When we have conflict, we end up being in attacking mode. Matlab, तूने ये किया है, you did this, you didn't do this that day, or defensive. Defensive क्या है? What is defensive? Defensive mode क्या है, राहुल? मैंने आपको बोला कि तुमने उस दिन ये किया था. What's the first reaction? मैंने तो नहीं किया. That's defensive. So, before even thinking, so rather than saying, giving that space and saying, you know what, I will be mindful the next time. Or, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe, let me try to make this right. How can I make it right? And I am on your side. I'm not standing to attack. If it's an important relationship, why do you get into attacking mode? Stand on the same side, no? What's the point being India-Pakistan? You may as well come on the same side. So if you want to bat like a, Rohit Sharma and Virat, then you might as well use these sentences. Next, please. Okay, one thing I want you to do. Okay. One thing I want you to do is, the only line I want you to get is 5:1 ratio of positive to negative interactions. That's the line. Next. So that's it. That's the last site, and we are done. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. And if we incorporate some of these when we go back home, we are good to go. Yeah? Thank you all for listening.
Thank you so much, guys. It was really wonderful listening to Dr. Rachna. Now it's a time for a quick break. And this break is all about your soul. You are going to meet a person who lives within you. Okay? Can anyone tell me, when I ask you a question, where do you live? What is the answer? Guys, you're going to give me the pin code, state, the area, the building, maybe the name of the house. Is there any other location or address comes in your mind? Yes. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Singh? Your permanent address where you are going to live throughout your life is this body. This is my permanent address. Okay? Am I right or wrong? Okay, so when you are going to live in this body, you spend so much on the fancy shampoos, conditioners, you want to look good, you want to smell good, right? But it is our first responsibility to look after the place where we are living, the body, the internal body, which comes from the mind, the body, and the soul. Many of us, most of the time, feel empty. When I say empty, you always have that feel. How many people, how many students out of you feel that कुछ तो कमी है यार, something missing? Or you all are like fully satisfied and always feel fulfilled? Can you please raise your... I feel empty sometimes, yes. I don't know how many of you feel. So, I'll tell you the only way to get that sense of fulfillment is going within. जो भी रचना मैम ने क्वेश्चंस की और आपने इतने खूबसूरती से बिल्कुल बच्चों की तरह ना अपना दिल खोल के हमारे सामने रख दिया कि ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें आपने शेयर की हैं जो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप अपने पेरेंट्स से भी कभी शेयर करते हैं. आपकी जो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ हैं, जो आपके इश्यूज हैं विद इन यू, When you go within, आप आंसर्स जो है ना बाहर ढूंढते हैं. You want to fix your friend, you want to fix your father, mother, brother, all your relationship. The only person you have to fix is you. You don't have to go outside. You don't have to search for answers outside. Just go within. So now quickly 2 minutes हम लेंगे and I request all of you. देखो आपने दो घंटे जो है I think back to back lectures भी attend किए हैं. But this 2 minutes of yours is going to change your life forever. We are going to do a quick meditation round. Can I request the console to play the music? I request everybody to sit straight. Please sit straight. Legs straight, your back straight. Yeah. So this is actually a beginner's meditation. How to go within, a travel inside. आप लोग छुट्टियां मनाने के लिए, किसी ने बोला वियतनाम जाना है, मेरे दोस्त लंदन गए हैं या कोई मसूरी चला गया है. अभी हम हॉलीडे पे जा रहे हैं अंदर, ठीक है जी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ वेरी beginner kind of meditation. Of course, to reach to the advanced level, you have to do a practice for minimum 5 to 6 months. So ये जो हम करने जा रहे हैं, ये आप कभी भी कहीं पे भी कर सकते हैं, किसी भी एटमॉस्फेयर में, एनवायरनमेंट में कर सकते हैं, एक्सेप्ट इन योर क्लास. वहाँ बेचारे प्रोफेसर सेशन दे रहे हैं और यहाँ बोल रहे हो मैं मेडिटेट कर रहा हूँ. So here we go. We have the Krishna flute music. We are taking a help of an instrumental music. Please sit straight and just focus on your breathing. You have to breathe, no fast breathing. The basic of the meditation is, guys, everybody says meditation बहुत मुश्किल है. ये तो मतलब जो लोग साधु होते हैं, पहाड़ों में चले जाते हैं, उनके काम की चीज़ है. No, it is so simple. Breathing happens to us all the time. Breathing happens to us 24/7. You can fast on water, you can fast on food, you can fast on anything. But can you fast on breathing? No. So your breath decides and regulates your emotion and feelings also. जब आप गुस्से में होते हो, आपकी सांस कैसे होती है? तेज. गुस्सा आ रहा है. You know what I mean? The frequency of your breath is really fast. But जब आप काम होते हो, शांत होते हो, आपकी ब्रेथ का भी देखना बहुत सिंपल, एकदम स्लो. तो सेम डीप ब्रीथ करना है, कोई फोर्स नहीं करना है. Just breathe and your entire focus should be on your breath. No other thought. When you focus on your breath, automatically your mind will not travel anywhere else. So can we play the flute and please start breathing? Everybody has a different breath frequency. कुछ लोग बहुत deep कर सकते हैं, कुछ लोगों का breath short होगा. So you don't have to copy anyone. You do your best and just focus on your breath. Shall we start now? 3, 2, 1. Please sit straight. Your backbone should be straight. Just sit straight. And there we go. Please rub energy. And now put your palm on your eyes. And wow. Thank you. Thank you. I personally feel जैसे हमें एक क्विक शावर के बाद फीलिंग होती है ना, फ्रेशनेस. So this technique you can do anytime, anywhere, and this will help you to boost your feelings and emotion. If you are feeling stressed, please do this. Even if you are sitting in the restaurant, मैं तो इतनी मास्टर हो चुकी हूँ कि हम लोग कहीं पे always in a public dealing, I sit calm and I do over there, even over any music I can do it. But it takes time, but it is a simple technique and the best gift you can give it to yourself. इसमें कोई condition, कोई foundation नहीं है. And when you are meditating, immediately after the meditation, like Dr. Rachna ma'am mentioned, affirmations. Please repeat this affirmation. I am healthy. Guys, please repeat with me. I am healthy. Happy and secure. This affirmation, 2 minutes meditation, and this affirmation 5 times. Will you promise me that you will do that? And then share. Can we repeat this 5 times? I am healthy, happy and secure. I am healthy, happy and secure. Happy and secure. I am healthy, happy and secure. Happy and secure. Now what happens? पहली 2 बार तो आपने बस बोलने के लिए बोला, तीसरी बार ऑटोमेटिकली कंडीशन हो जाएगा माइंड. कोई भी चीज़ की एडिक्शन लगने के लिए भी उसको बार बार लेना पड़ता है ना. सो यू विल हैव टू डू इट टिल यू मेक इट. ओके. सो 2 बार आपको लगेगा यार एफर्ट से बोलना पड़ रहा है, तीसरी बार आपका इमोशन खुद आएगा. आई एम हेल्दी, हैप्पी एंड सिक्योर. कोई इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं है. आई एम इन अ गुड फेज. वी ऑल आर रियली ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड दैट वी आर born in best of the families. We are sitting in IMM Institute, which is one of the most prestigious institute, with the kind of family backgrounds we have and upbringing. आप बाहर जाके देखिए, बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हैं उनको ये खुशनसीबी नहीं मिली है. तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी हेल्दी, हैप्पी एंड सिक्योर है. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट थिंग, just the last thing which I want to share, 1 योग मुद्रा. जो आपने एंजाइटी की बात की,
जो आपने बात की कि फोकस नहीं हो पाता है, रिलेशनशिप इशू एंड बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेस. Whenever you feel stress, there's a very basic yog mudra which can be performed again anytime, anywhere, any place. खाया है, नहीं खाया है, पहले बाद में, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे एक्सरसाइजेज ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें कंडीशन होती है कि खाली पेट ही करना है, या योगा बेसिकली जो है काफ़ी गाइडेंस के साथ होता है. बट एक हकीनी मुद्रा है जो आपको कंसंट्रेशन में, स्ट्रेस में और किसी भी तरह की एंजाइटी इशू में इमीडिएटली रिलीफ देती है. सो टू परफॉर्म हकीनी मुद्रा, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज जॉइन योर थम्स फर्स्ट एंड देन the tips of your fingers should be attached and make a nice gap like this and
rub your hands, keep rubbing to create the energy. And now put your palm on your eye and wow. Thank you.
फोकस ऑन हकीनी मुद्रा, बिकॉज अगर आपको ज़्यादा ज्ञान दे दिए तो कुछ भी नहीं प्रैक्टिस होगा. सो वी विल फोकस ओनली ऑन वन वेरी बेसिक and just put the simple pressure. So 3 things: 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes meditation, the affirmation and Hakini Mudra. These are very basic things which can be practiced anytime, anywhere. We have now the last. We have Sattva cutout. We have the Sattva cutout here. सत्वा आपने सुना होगा, राजसिक, तामसिक एंड सात्विक गुण, 3 गुण होते हैं हम सभी में. हमारा जो बैलेंस्ड एट्रीब्यूट है बॉडी का, दैट इज सात्विक. एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर सत्वा. ऑल ऑफ अस आर सत्वा and all of us are the best creation of God. So I am Sattva. Say I am Sattva. Please follow Dr. Rachna. Please follow Sattva Nation on Instagram, and we are always there to help you out with any kind of support you require. Can we say I am Sattva? Thank you so much.